Hey guys, JJ here from musicmining.com. Today we're gonna look at a song called Odvišine se zvrti by a band called Martin Krpan. Let's get cracking. The song starts off with the keyboard intro playing in F major. You could just play chords over that, going F major, D minor, B flat major, and C major. But I suggest you play the solo so what the keyboards are playing. Up here on the 5th fret, you're gonna play on the E, B, and G strings, going like this. And then the singing starts. We're gonna go F major, D minor to A minor. And we're gonna play like this, with very little strumming. Just going F, na 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 na. And you should do that little at the end, because that's where the vocals stop and it's time for your guitar to make some sound so it's not empty. So try that one. Then we get to the pre-chorus, and before you get to the pre-chorus and the final A minor, don't go picking the strings. Try strumming them to add a little drama, so you go like... And then the pre-chorus is B flat major and C major, both strumming pattern going. Yeah, and then finally you go back to F major, which is the next verse. Now the second verse is the same, but try strumming it a little different. I recommend doing something like this. It just adds a little extra so you don't go the same every time around. Try it. After the second pre-chorus comes the chorus. Yes, I'm gonna play with the song now so you kind of get the idea how that works. Let's check it out. So after this part comes the intro part again. You could play this with just chord without the solo part. And then you go to, let's see, the verse one more time, the pre-chorus, and then the chorus again. And after that comes the solo, the acoustic solo. We're gonna do just the first solo because the second one is on electric guitar, so it kind of defeats the purpose of this video. So let's check that out and enjoy. So after the solo, we have the final chorus, and after that chorus comes an electric guitar solo. I suggest you skip that and go straight to the chords of the intro, which are F major, D minor, B flat major, and C major, and just go singing over those chords the same line as Vlado Kreslin does live, also going like this. Dame video s teboj, dame video s teboj, dame video s teboj. over and over again. It depends how high your voice is. You can go an octave higher. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Be sure to check out my blog page, musicminding.com, where everything is explained, and I'll see you next time.